Good evening, stargazers, and welcome to Apira Astra After Dark. I'm broadcasting from my backyard observatory, where the kettle is warm and the universe is very much awake. Every Friday, we'll bring you the week's most fascinating space news, backyard observing highlights, and music for watching the stars. Settle in, dim the lights, and look up. Tonight I want to take you back 800 million years to a moment that quietly reshaped three different worlds. Deep in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, a large rocky body known as the Eulalia parent body was destroyed in a catastrophic collision. It was roughly 100 to 200 kilometers across. When it shattered, it didn't just create a new family of asteroids. It launched a long, slow cascade of debris into the inner solar system. Because the parent body broke up near a powerful orbital resonance with Jupiter, many of the fragments were quickly pushed onto paths that crossed the orbits of the terrestrial planets. Over the following 100 to 150 million years, more pieces drifted in through a subtle thermal force called the Yarkovsky effect. The result was an extended bombardment that struck the Moon, Mars, and Earth. On the Moon, the evidence is still written clearly in the landscape. Scientists have long noticed a cluster of large impact craters and impact glasses dating to around 800 million years ago. For years, this spike was difficult to explain. The breakup of the Eulalia parent body now appears to be the most plausible source. Earth, being larger and having stronger gravity, would have received roughly 20 times as many impacts of similar or greater size. Most of those scars have long since been erased by weather, erosion, and plate tectonics. But the timing is striking. The peak of this ancient shower coincides with a period of major environmental change on our planet, the lead-up to the Cryogenian, the age of the famous snowball Earth freezes. Some researchers find it tempting to wonder whether the impacts played a role in those dramatic climate shifts. Mars, too, may still carry the memory of this event. Models suggest the bombardment would have triggered widespread seismic shaking, and the timing aligns with a noticeable increase in volcanic activity on the red planet. So, one distant collision, far out in the asteroid belt, sent ripples across the inner solar system. The Moon still bears the craters. Earth may have felt the climatic consequences. Mars may have been shaken and stirred into new volcanic life. I find that quietly extraordinary, the idea that the histories of these three worlds are so deeply intertwined. This is the kind of story we'll explore together here on Apira Astra, the beautiful, sometimes violent, always interconnected past of our solar system. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe if you'd like to stay for more. Thank you for being here at the very beginning. I hope you'll stay.